Good morning and welcome. I am here in snowy Philadelphia. It's about 2 degrees outside and snow on the ground. And I've been asked to make an introductory video for the Summer Institute at Western Kentucky University. And I'm happy to do it for two reasons. One, gets me thinking about the summer and not the temperature outside today. And also, I've come to Western Kentucky to facilitate this workshop for many years now, and I love it. I think it's one of the best institutes in the country. It's run well. The people are great. The instructors are great, and the participants are great. So I'm hoping you'll become one of them. If you haven't taken an APSI before, the great thing about it is, as far as professional development goes, you won't get anything more specific. And just by its nature, it's directed specifically to the course you are teaching. And then you don't just get me, a talking head, you get a group of like-minded, inspired, motivated people. That's you. And sharing ideas, trying new things, and really preparing yourselves for the new school year. So whether you're experienced or new to the course, I hope you'll join us. See you in Kentucky. Go Summer.